Everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I've got a quick Gmail tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to change your Gmail password. It's really quite simple to do, and this will not only change your Gmail password, but the password for the associated services for that Google account as well. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, starting out here at our Gmail homepage, we're going to head up to the very top right-hand corner. You're going to see a little gear or sprocket. When you hover over that, it says Settings. You can go ahead and left click on that. This will open up our quick settings, and you should see the See All settings option here. You can go ahead and select that. This will open up our Gmail settings. Now here in these settings, you'll see all sorts of options here at the top, and the one we're looking for is Accounts and Import right here. You can go ahead and select that. And under Accounts and Import, you should see Change Account Settings here, and there's an option here to change password. So we're going to go ahead and left click on Change Password. It's going to open up a new tab, and it wants to confirm we are who we say we are. So we need to go ahead and type in our password here. Once we've got our password in, we'll go ahead and hit Next. It's going to take us to the page where we can change our password. Now, do keep in mind our password needs to be at least 8 characters in length. And it says don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. And it's going to show us the strength of our password here as well. So we can go ahead and type in a new password here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And you can see it showing us it's a strong password. So we can go down here and confirm our new password. So type the password in again. And once you've done that, if you do want to confirm them, you can hit the little eyeball here and it'll show you the password. Once you've got it the way you like it there and you've got a strong password strength, go ahead and hit Change Password. And it says password changed successfully. And really it's that simple to change our password for our Gmail account and our Google services. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.